a Chinese electric vehicle (EV) manufacturer made the announcement that it has stopped manufacturing after the country's reaction to the recent COVID-19 epidemic affected activities at its suppliers. As a result of this, NIO has had to put a pause on automobile manufacturing. Since March, the firm's supplier companies in various areas such as Jilin, Shanghai, and Jiangsu stopped manufacturing one after another due to reasons connected to the pandemic and have yet to recover, the firm says on its mobile app. The company will delay EV shipments to customers and will work with suppliers to restore deliveries while following the government's COVID limits, it added. China has adopted several lockdown steps to prevent the spread of the highly infectious Omicron form in several locations such as Jilin province and Shanghai, where big car part manufacturers and automakers have facilities. Tesla has also stopped production at its Shanghai facility since March 28, according to Reuters, after the city began a two-stage lockdown that has been issued citywide. From mid-March, Volkswagen's partnership operation in Changchun, Jilin's province capital, has been shut, while its partnership facility with SAIC Motors in Shanghai has been shut since April 1.